One final note about project organization is that we need to remember that when you go back to view Solution Explorer, for instance, right here, right? So this is my list of source files. Remember that header files like this, pingpong.h, should never be put on a list of source files because pingpong.h is not a source file, it's a header file. Header files are included and not compiled, right? Basically, this header file right here does not even contain any executable code. There are no loops, no function bodies, no definitions of variables, right? None of it. Essentially, this is not a. If you look at this, if you consider what's inside this header file, is not a normal source file. It's just a bunch of declarations and other includes, and some of the preprocessor definitions and a constant variable being defined here. But in general, this is not executable file. Only executable, I mean, the files that contain some executable code should be put on the source file list. So that's my message. To put this on the list of source files would be a mistake and would very likely result in other compiler errors. Okay, so the next set of topics will be related to function signatures and function parameters. Let's talk a little bit more about all of this. So let's make some changes to our code. If I continue to use my program here, so you see now I have a CPP file, the source file that is dedicated to contain important functions which provide functionality for my code. Here I would like to try a few more changes.